Namaste. Back to the Wednesday section. Today Chaturthi, so I plan to do the song for Lord Ganesha. Actually, this week, the Sura Samhara, the Kanda Sashti, special actually for, Lord Muruga, because Skanda, Subramanya, Kartikeya this week, but because of the Chaturthi, I was just thinking Ganesha, but it's okay, we'll do the Skanda, for Lord Skanda, we'll do some other day, maybe after finishing. Is for the 6 days, he's fighting with Shurapadman. So, for the on Saturday, I think the finishing, the finishing day, winning over again the demon, Shurapadman. So, maybe we'll later do the next week, maybe we'll plan for Lord Skanda. Of course, Lord Ganesha, his brother. So they are both of them very young, youth, energetic God. And Ganesha, of course, is Ganas, is the Isha of Ganas. He is also helping us to move us and remove our obstacles. Move us at the same time, remove the obstacles. So, Gam Gam Ganapati. We wrote gum like that, but the deeper the sound is, like as we say the om, the omkara. Let's explain the akara, ukara, makara, the omkara. So when we say the sound, so that nada is more deeper. That's the sound we want to make actually. So he composed the words actually, few lines for our dance drama. In the beginning to invoke the Ganesha's energy. So we wrote gum like that, but it's Gungang Ganapate. So when you are pronouncing, so you make sure you are pronouncing that Gung Ganesha, Gung Ganapati. So as our Swamiji chant Gung Ganapati. So the Gung, that ing sound we want. So Gung Ganapate. Who is the Pati of the Ganas. Namosute, our Namaskaram salutation to Lord Ganesha. Gananadane, again Nada, also the Lord of the Ganas. Guna Bodhane, who are that Guna, who's giving the good Gunas also, because he is very lovely, friendly God. Whatever you are offering, he takes, and he don't usually punish very easily people, and this also will be like a playful way. And with some of the people, they want to, they will feel like a playful with the kids also, no? For the young age also, they want to be with them, even though they are quite older. They want to be with the kids. Like Divya always, she used to go with the kids she loved to be with the kids. As our Amma Ji always wants to work with the kids, so that she had she wants to make them from the beginning, from the young age, to have the nice the habit, all the practices comes very easily. They could catch and practice the good way, because something, if we learned some style and we want to change, even in the dance or yoga, it's very difficult, because if you are following one school, if you are change the school, then it will be difficult. So we say it's better to follow the same pani. We say in the dance also, pani means whatever the style you started with, that if you stick with that, it's better actually. When you're changing this style and that style, you are confused. At the same time, to change to from one style already, if you are many years practiced from the sadhana, if you are going for the other style, it's difficult actually. So that's why Ammaji, with the small kids, very easy to bring them in the from the young age. Very easily they could pick up and put samskara. They can practice from the young age. So that's why she always loved to work with the kids most. So that's why she spend her time, mostly the vacation time, more time with the kids. Of course, she comes in the weekend classes also. So like that, of course, with the each and every adults also, she give her full time actually. Like whenever she talk with them, it's really for them. It's like for many years they have the talk with Maji like that. Same thing with the doctor sir. Many students I have seen, they wrote in the report also that if they attend one class of him, it's like 100 section they were with him. Like that they feel actually. So like that, she always with the adults also she totally transferred them. Of course, with the kids, it's she feel easy to work with them because from the young age to bring them in the way, it's easier than adult to change a thing is very difficult, including me actually. Some of the habitual we have the condition. So Ganapati, he actually very friendly. He also makes sometimes that give the thing to understand. People should understand, but at the way it's not like Shiva is very strong power and give very strongly the testing, the sodhana we say. As we do the Nadi Shodhana, Nadi Shuddhi, like a cleansing, and the Shodhana, like a testing, like that. The Shodhana with like Shiva, it's very strong. But with the Ganesha, he just makes sure you understand, you learn the lesson like that only. So because very friendly, whatever you offer, he takes. And of course, he very lovely, friendly God. So Ganas, the Pati of Ganas, and Gunanidhiye, and the Mushikane, we call him himself who had the Mushika as his Vahana. We call him Mushikane. In Tamil version, the ending sound you find it's finishing like Mushikane, Modakane, like addressing to Lord Ganesha. Oh Lord Ganesha, you are this, you are that, you are like this, you are like that, you like this, you love that. So just like addressing this words comes Mushikane, Modakane, like that. So we whenever we do anything, we will be invoking the Lord Ganesha energy in the beginning. Of course, when we are writing, we used to put the small symbol we starting, like as we have the Om, we usually have Om we write, and the same way you can see the Om we usually put with the Chandra Bindu. Similarly, they use the Pillaya Suri called. Pillai means the small boy. So Pillaya Suri they call. And sometimes you can see like this also they go. So just like a Suri means just like they circle again. The energy like a circle. And of course starting with the Lord Ganesha sign. So when we are going to write even they start in the top of the page. They start that Pillaya Suri we call in Tamil. Then they started to write. So always when they are reading, writing, they want to start with the Ganesha, and whatever the puja, first always offering for Lord Ganesha, starting the mantra, chanting, again offering the mantra for Lord Ganesha in the beginning, then go for any chanting when we are doing, and of course in the pujas also, of course you can see the first puja for Lord Ganesha, he's like a Mula Mudalvin, he's the cause of everything. So Mudalvin we call, he's in the beginning for everything. So like when we are excuse me, when we are making even the bhakshanas, we say no, the Deepavali season, we still have a lot of sweets. So people come and give in the Deepavali time, they share whatever they made in the home. Of course, nowadays they are buying mostly. Usually they make all the items. I remember the young age we have like a whole tin of the all the snacks. So if we have like one even like a dosa size bigger, they make with the flour. It goes like that. Like we call the murku, and we call the ompudi also in all the bhakshanas, the snacks items. Those if we eat one, then we cannot even have our dinner actually. Like that, always lot of eating items, different snacks items. Of course, lot of sweets. So of course, Lord Ganesha's special favorite sweet is modaka always. So when we are going to make the modakam also for the special homa, for Ganapati homa always, there's a fire sacrificing. And in that also when you are going to make that bhakshana we call that modakam also, first thing we make in the flour, when we are making like a little pastry way, when we are making, we just make this like that. When we put first piece, like we make like a Ganesha piece for Lord Ganesha first, then we make other items actually. It even looks like that. That's why the modaka is very special for him. Even for the Krishna Jayanti, for the puja, when you are making the snacks item for the like a small ball items, or like a we call like a finger chips, like a finger, the long ones when you are making for Lord Krishna, for the Krishna Jayanti, the Shide we call. That also when you are making, we are going to make that balls for Lord Krishna, but at the same time we make the first piece for Lord Ganesha, then we make. So for everything, for Lord Ganesha offering, then going on. So like that we call him even Moshikane, who has a Vahana as Moshika. Modakane, we are calling him even Modakane, like that. Because he even looks like very chubbier and very charming personality. Everyone loves. Of course, quite often Amaji goes to the Manakala Vinayagar actually. So the Lord Ganesha, very important, the very nice energy. Most of the people love, even the people who comes to the course, and we are asking whatever the energy with the God, whatever the God, Lord they heard, like sometimes we feel like this God, I feel very connective, like that, no, because people even when they are selecting the day, even no, it will be very interesting actually. Like Swamiji, always he was going like Shiva, Shiva, like that. So he chosen his day to go that Shiva's very special day, or the Darshan we call. Like that, even my father, he was mostly in the big temples like a Shiva temple, or mostly the Ganesha temple actually. He chosen the day, the Shankarakara Chaturthi is very special. The like removing the Shankaras, that's a very special day for Lord Ganesha. So that day he chosen to go. So it was very interesting to see the people with the connecting their energy. The same day they are also chosen to go. It's very, very strong. So like that, even today they are celebrating for our Krishnamacharya Yoga Mandiram, and they are celebrating his day, Krishnamacharya's day, and of course it was maybe special for Lord Narayana. I had to ask Dr. Kausub the day any link with the Lord Narayana, like that. I suppose it was like that. So our namaskaram, pranam to all the gurus, to remember them, to think about their teaching, and offer our namaskaram to them also. So like that, all the different energies when we are feeling, even with the Ganesha, most of the people will, oh, I love like Ganesha, like that. Even the people when they're coming in the course, they easily find the connectivity with the Ganesha very easily. So Moshikane, Modagane, Vigna Rajane, who is removing all the obstacles. Vigna means the obstacles, Raja means the king. So who is removing all the obstacles, who is the king of the obstacles, so he can remove easily. So Vinayakane again, who is removing all the Vinay. Vinay means in Tamil we are calling all the karmas. So we finish with the Gananadane. Gana, that the Nada of the Gana, the Ganapati, Gana. So Ganata, Gananadane, Gunata, Gunabodane. So we finish up with that. Of course, very simple. This one actually that's composed for the dance drama in the beginning for Lord Ganesha. It's very, very energetic Nada actually, starting even like a Gang Ganapati. Very, very energetic Nada. So we'll try this Ganesha song today. So we'll offer the Gayatri Mantra for Lord Ganesha. Of course, the Sura Samhara, the week for Lord Subramanya also. So I want to offer the mantra for Subramanya also. And of course, our Krishnamacharya's day they are celebrating today, like a Guru Puja. So we'll chant the Gayatri Mantra for Guru also. So all three Gayatri Mantras will chant in the beginning. Tadganeshaya vidmahe Vakratundhaya dhimahi Tanno dantihi prachodayate. Om Tatkumaraya vidmahe Kartikeyaya dhimahi Tanno skandaha prachodayate. Om Tatparamparyaya vidmahe Jnanalingeshwaraya dhimahi Tanno guruhu प्रचोदयाते गणपति नमोस्तुते गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गणनादने गुणबोधने गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गणनादने गुणबोधने गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गणनादने गुणबोधने गणनादने गुणबोधने गणपतिये गुणनिधिये गणपतिये गुणनिधिये गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गणनाथने गुणबोधने गणनाथने गुणबोधने गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते मूषिकाने मोदगने मूषिकाने मोदगने विघ्नराजने विनायकने मूषिकाने मोदगने विघ्नराजने विनायकने मूषिकाने मोदगने विघ्नराजने विनायकने मूषिकाने मोदगने विघ्नराजने विनायकने गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गण गणत गणनादने गुण गुणत गुणबोधने गण गणत गणनादने गुण गुणत गुणबोधने गण गणत गणनादने गुण गुणत गुणबोधने गणनाथने गुणबोधने गणनाथने गुणबोधने गणनाथने गुणबोधने गणनाथने गुणबोधने गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते गंगं गणपति नमोस्तुते 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 So we'll chant Sharavana Bhavaya Namaha 6 rounds. Which like Skanda, the Shadakshara is Sharavana Bhava. So we'll chant 6 rounds of Sharavana Bhavaya Namaha, who born in the 6 lotuses, who got the 6 head. So Shanmukha, he called Shanmukha, who got the 6 face, 6 head. So we chant because of the Kanda Sashti week for the Kanda. Because in the body also we remember the base of the spine we call the Skanda energy. So we chant for Lord Skanda. I think the third day is the 6th day. He's fighting with the Sura Padman again, like removing the ignorance. It's coming quite often. The celebrations, each of the one celebration, at least one of the Rakshasa connected with that celebration. Diwali, of course, with the Narakasura. Again with the Sura Samara, with the Sura Padman. So we chant Sharavana Bhavaya Namaha 6 rounds. Again chanting, we'll chant for Krishnamacharyas. We chant Om Namo Narayanaaya Namaha 8 times. So Narayana is again the Ashtakshari they call for Vaishnavas. So we'll chant Narayanaya Namo Namaha. It's 8 rounds we'll do. First we'll do 6 rounds of Sharavana Bhavaya Namaha, especially for the Kandasrishti week. Om Sharavana Bhavaya Namaha. 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 Om. So the ancient, our ancestors, they gave the importance to the day, the timing, and the numbers for the mandalas, everything they've given the importance. Of course, everyone knows who are attending all the classes with Dr. Ananda. They know very well each number, each day, and each mandalas. Everything have the the energies plus the connectivity. They learned quite a bit, and so for as we are telling Sharavana, the 6 like that for Narayana, we chant 8 times Om Namo Narayanaya Namaha, like offering for Narayana. At the same time, in the Vaishnava tradition, for the Guru who brought all the teachings to the universe, and so to offer our namaskaram, our salutation to him. At the same time, to like Guru Dakshina, we chant Om Namo Narayanaya Namaha 8 times. Of course, for Vishnu also very special on Wednesday. So for all actually, to see the divine in everything, in every nada, in every swarupa, in every being, of course, you should be able to see. So that may be taking many janmas, the lifetime, from the Punarjanma to the, from the Purva Janma to the Punarjanma, still we have to learn more and continuously learning more and more to see that perception, to have that perception, which takes actually many janmas, but still we try our best whenever possible. Om Namo Narayanaya Namaha. 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 Om Namo Namah Shri Shri Guru Padukabhyam. Namo Namah Shri Shri Guru Padukabhyam. Namo Namah Shri Krishna Macharya Padobhyam. Namo Namah Shri Shri Guru Padukabhyam. Namo Namah Shri Krishna Macharya Padam. Namo Namah Shri Guru Padukabhyam. Namo Namah Shri Krishna Macharya Padobhyam. Namo Namah. Namo Namah Shri Guru Padukabhyam. Namo Namah. Namo Namah Namo Namah Namo Namah Dhanyavad. We'll see you next week. Thank you for taking the time with us. Thanks.